Hello all, I'm so happy to share with you the 3 years of my journey. So it all started from live sessions to online sessions. So today is our third anniversary of Skin Revive workshop, and I wanted to celebrate with you all. Thank you so much for all your support, in entire journey. And I would really like to thank few of my friends who are being part of this journey, which are Dania. Without you, dear, the journey won't have started. Then Anita, Tejal, Seema, Pallavi, Josna, Kavita. These are few names which I am naming because it's like I'm really thankful to all these people because of which I could literally go to different places and conduct my workshops. So I'm really blessed and gratitude to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Pallavi. Without you, I don't think my Hyderabad workshops were possible. So thanks a lot. And yeah, this is a cake celebration with you all. So we are completing 3 years today. And if you book your workshops for any of our May workshops today, you are getting a special discount. So connect with me on WhatsApp on my number 7400249924. And this Saturday, tomorrow I'm having hair conditioner workshop. Saturday I'm having morning I'm having creams workshop, and evening I'm having cleansing balm. So I wanted to show you the cleansing balm which I made yesterday, and this workshop is on a very special price which will never be again on that price. So the price for this workshop is 499 only if registered today, because it's our third anniversary. And so let's have a cake cutting with you all. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you, Taiya. Yeah. So without Tai here, my journey would have been really, Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear, for all who have joined me today. And yeah, some people asked me how this cleansing balm works. So let me just show you quickly a short demo of all this. So here is a bowl of water, and this is a cleansing balm. Okay, so let me just show you. For example, if I'm having a makeup on my face or a lipstick, so how this will work. So I'm taking a small amount of this balm, okay, and apply it on the face, for example, and gently massage it. See, it will remove your makeup. Hey Kavita, thank you. I already thanked you earlier. You joined little late. Thanks a lot for all the support and guidance from all my friends. So see here, the makeup has already gone. So if I add few drops of water and gently massage, so it will take away the dirt or the makeup, and it will not leave the skin greasy. Okay, see here, isn't it very nice? And it's really good. The workshop price for this is only 499, which will never happen. The actual cost of this workshop is 2000 rupees, but if you book today, you pay only 499 rupees. So do connect on Insta Messenger or on WhatsApp and join for this workshop. Thanks a lot whoever have joined today, and really thankful to everyone for for having this lovely 3 years and making new connections with different people, whether it was online or whether it was going to different places. Thanks a lot. Bye.